Hey guys, it's Ahhmey Creations. I'll be showing you guys how I made my sea turtle shaker charm. Everything I use will be in the descriptions below. So first off, I'll be using a small jar and green clay. I like to have a ball of clay and squish it using the bottom of the jar. Next for the fins, I have 4 equal balls of clay that I will flatten, pinch, and curve the end part like so. To attach the fins, I just place it where I want them to be and made indents in them. At first I was planning to just blend them in, but I decided to cut off the indents and reattach the fins onto the jar. Once the fins were attached, I then added a ball of green clay for the head. I also wanted my turtle to be metallic or glittery-like, so I used mica powder and a paintbrush to put onto the raw unbaked clay. I found that mica powder sticks on better when the clay is still unbaked. Next, I indented where I wanted to put the eyes. Then I cut and rolled out 2 small balls of clay and used translucent liquid bakeable clay to attach the eyes on. Once you put mica powder onto your clay, other clay won't be able to attach on top of the mica powder. That's why TLS usually helps it stays in place, especially when you're going to bake the piece. I then added some blush for cuteness and a lined smile. I also tried a mustache but didn't go through with it. Once finished, I bake it according to package instructions, then use brown paint to paint on the spots on top of the sea turtle like so. Now for the inside of the jar. I used these scale-like fragments as sand for the bottom of the jar and added UV resin so it stays in place. Once that is fully cured, I added water and mica powder. To secure the cork, I added UV resin to the bottom, the side, and the top to fully secure from leaking and keeping the eye pin in place. Once it's to your liking, you can attach a keychain and you're done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.